Hi, my name is Jake, and I am with BREAS Medical. Founded in 1991 in Gothenburg, Sweden, BREAS Medical has become one of the global leaders in home mechanical ventilation, airway clearance, and sleep therapy. Today I will be reviewing how to change the patient comfort settings on a Z1 or Z2 travel CPAP. This video will last approximately 8 minutes and is available on our website at www.breas.us. In this video, I will be showing you how to change the patient comfort settings on a Z1 or Z2 CPAP. An auto CPAP can be set to either auto or fixed pressure mode, and a base CPAP can be set to only a fixed pressure. The patient comfort settings include adding a ramp time and start pressure, changing the Z-breathe setting, and changing the auto start-stop setting. The steps for changing these settings is the same in either a fixed pressure CPAP device or an auto CPAP device set in either fixed or auto pressure mode. The first thing you need to do is plug in the device and wait until it gets to the 0.0 or standby mode screen like you see here. When at the 0.0 screen, you will notice scrolling across the top right-hand corner the CPAP or APAP mode, Z-breathe setting, Bluetooth on/off if it is an auto CPAP, an auto start/stop setting, and the date and time. Also in the upper right corner, you will see the power source displayed. If it is plugged into the outlet, a plug will be displayed. If plugged into the power shell, a battery life indicator will be displayed. The first thing we are going to adjust is the ramp time and start pressure. If you do not have a ramp set in a fixed pressure device or mode, the unit will start at the set treatment pressure. In auto mode, the device will start at the low treatment pressure. If you add a ramp start time and pressure on a fixed pressure device or in CPAP mode, the device will start at the ramp pressure and the pressure will increase over the set ramp time to the fixed treatment pressure. If you add a ramp start time and pressure in auto mode, the device will start at the ramp pressure and increase in pressure over the set ramp time to the low treatment pressure. You must set the ramp time first because if you attempt to set the ramp start pressure before you set a ramp time, you will get an error message. Once you set a ramp time, you can then set the start pressure. In a fixed pressure Z1 or Z2 or in CPAP mode on an auto device, the ramp start pressure must be set lower than the treatment pressure. For an auto device in auto mode, the ramp start pressure must be set lower than the low treatment pressure. The ramp start pressure must be lower than the set treatment pressure because otherwise you would not have a difference in pressures to ramp to. It is important to note if the start pressure is set higher than the treatment pressure, the device will not function properly. To set the ramp time, press and hold the up arrow until the ramp time appears. Then, using the up or down arrow, adjust the amount of time that you want the device to ramp. It can be set anywhere between 5 and 45 minutes in 5-minute increments. Once you have the ramp time to where you want it, press and hold the power button until it says accept. It will bring you back to the 0.0 screen. Next, press and hold the down arrow until the ramp start pressure appears. Using the up or down arrow button, adjust the ramp start pressure to where you want it. Then, press and hold the power button until it says accept. This will then bring you back to the 0.0 screen. Next, we will change the Z-breathe setting. This is a patient comfort setting, with Z-breathe 3 being the easiest to breathe against. To change this setting, press and hold the up and down arrows at the same time until APAP- or CPAP- and a number appears. The numbers go from 1 to 3, and you can now use the up or down arrows to select whichever one you need. Once you have it at the correct number, press and hold the middle power button until it says accept. This will bring you back to the 0.0 screen. Finally, we are going to change the auto start-stop feature, which is only available in a Z2 auto CPAP. The Z2 CPAP that is a base unit has an auto stop feature, not an auto start-stop feature. This feature is enabled or disabled in the same way. The auto start-stop feature makes it so the patient does not have to push the power button to start treatment. All they have to do is put on their mask and begin breathing, and the Z2 device will turn on. Once they take the mask off, the device will turn off. This is the only difference in patient comfort settings between a Z1 and a Z2 because it is not available with the Z1. To change this setting, press and hold the up and down arrows until either APAP or CPAP and a number appears. Then press and hold the up and down arrows again at the same time until A off dash and either on or off appears on the screen. Then use either the up or down arrows to change it to on or off. Then press and hold the middle power button until it says accept. This will bring you back to the 0.0 screen, and you have now successfully adjusted the auto start-stop feature. That is how you change the patient comfort settings on a Z1 or Z2 device. If there are any questions, please do not hesitate to contact BREAS customer support at 855-436-8724, extension 110.